Alright guys, here's my buddy's 2023 S4 gas. I got a request online to make a speedometer for one of these, and as you can see, it doesn't have anything like that. So I made something to fit in this area here, and these are the only tools you're going to need: a drill, half-inch drill bit, a small drill to do a pilot hole, a T30, and a small screwdriver. And then we're going to remove this panel, drill a hole through this wall here, put the display here, and then once we have this open, I'll show you inside what we're going to connect it to. So what we want to get to, if you can see down in there, that yellow and black wire goes to the converter for this USB plug here. So that's where we're going to tap in. Yeah. Alright, so you can see we pulled that yellow and black wire we referenced earlier off here. And all we're doing is taking these piggyback connectors, put them on here, and then we're going to put it back on the terminal back there. Pause it. Alright, so the adapter we just connected back in there and tied it into the other adapter. We're just going to take the USB cord for the display and plug it into one of the two USBs on that adapter. And then what we need to do is just double check that. Oh, there we go. Okay, good. Now we can mount the display. Alright, so we got the display where we want it. We kind of got to just kind of fit it up in there. And then we're going to pre-drill the holes right here and put our two set screws in there, and then we should be good to go. Hold on, Larry's calling me.